to another episode. We're here at an after-work drift event. Some cool cars, some cool friends out here. Everybody's having a blast. I'll show you around, and I hope you'll be here next time. So as you can see, we just saved the S14 out of the gravel. Shit happens, but no biggie. Makes for a perfect tow car too, but in the end, a BMW saved him out of the gravel. So yeah. So soon we're gonna switch up to the next group. That's how we do. So everybody gets a lot of seat time. I'll show you some more action on track. Immer die rote S14.
Die Farbe von ich will mal. Sie sehen gemütlich aus.
It's always the red ones. morning. Unfortunately, I couldn't finish the video last night at our after-work drift event. So once again, you see me unloading the car here. I'll cut it short though. I hope you like it. You liked what you saw. I hope you'll join in next time. Got some nice cars out there. People had fun, enjoyed it. There will be one more in December, and then we're gonna wrap it up for this year. Yeah, on a side note, our neighbor has a nice Lamborghini out there, and from what I hear, all it is, that's just for his car collection. Never been in there, never seen in there, but must have some nice cars in there. I see some stuff going in and out once in a while. Seen a Ford GT, some other stuff. Maybe we can sneak in there once. Let's see. All right, guys, so that's a wrap. I hope you liked it. If you have any comments, put them in down here. Make sure to hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.